savory oatmeal? It may sound strange, but trust me, it's quite delicious. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to enjoy a savory spring fling using fresh produce. That'll make you want to enjoy a steamy bowl of oatmeal no matter what time of day. Steel-cut oats with mushrooms and kale. To begin, melt 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of sliced baby bella mushrooms and a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee shortcuts chopped white onions, cooking for 3 minutes or until tender. Baby bella mushrooms are mighty nutritious, providing B vitamins for energy and potassium for healthy blood pressure support. Next, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 2 cups of Hy-Vee vegetable cooking stock. Bring this mixture to a boil. After that, add 1 cup of Hy-Vee steel-cut oats and reduce heat. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed and the oats become tender, stirring occasionally. Some of the most prominent benefits of oatmeal include boosting your energy, supporting weight loss, and lowering your risk of heart disease and diabetes. Then remove the pan from heat and fold in 3/4 cup of baby kale leaves with a 1/4 cup of soiree finely shredded Parmesan cheese. Divide the mixture between serving bowls and garnish with additional Parmesan cheese if desired. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.